Hi there! In this demo, I'll compare the old macro file with the new workbook I created. As you can see, the old file is expired and only launches reliably if the PC is restarted and Excel is opened in safe mode. That adds friction and can disable features we need. These text files from the customer contain the server details we need to extract into Excel, IP address, gateway, and host name. These are too complex and time-consuming to be manually copied and pasted. In the old macro, you'll notice unnecessary fields are extracted. It takes extra time to clean up deleting columns and rows and reformatting before the data can be used or shared. Now, here's the new workbook. I built it to run in normal mode, with no license checks and no expiry by design. It has a proper folder browser button. I select the folder that contains the customer files. Then, I click Generate Checklist Parameter. The macro reads the files once and outputs a clean, pre-formatted table with clear headers, IP addresses sorted numerically, centered values, and borders only where data exists ready to copy and paste with no extra formatting. Switching to this new file removes the risk and instability of running an expired macro in safe mode, and it standardizes the output so it's consistent every time. It also saves time, no more manual cleanup, fewer prompts, and a one-step workflow from folder to finished table. Because it's in-house, password protected, and can be digitally signed and placed in a trusted location, it's easier for IT to support and easier to defend in audits. In short, it is safer, faster, and cleaner. Let's retire the old macro and use this version going forward.